everyone, this is Tammy. I wanted to do this video because I get a lot of questions. This is the number one question that I get. Well, probably number two. Number one question is where do I get leads? So we're going to cover that and more in this video. So again, welcome. My name's Tammy, the Fearless Mama. And with Get Fearless Freedom, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this sales funnel for anything online. So what you would do is actually when you join the 200, 500, or 1,000 level, the 1,000 level, of course, is the most popular. What you would be doing is once you log in to your back office, and I'm just going to kind of show that to you here in real time, you'd be able to log in, and of course, to set up, if you're marketing for GFF, you'd listen to this video walkthrough, 17 minutes. But if you're actually setting up for another company, depending on your offer, you'd want to choose one of the 4 templates here. Of course, well, actually, this is the one for GFF. But if you want to choose it for your company, I can tell you that this page right here is very generic. So you can use it for any opportunity. Why aren't you making what you deserve? And then I recommend the red button, because the red button, it's actually the highest converting. I've tested it in traffic over and over and over in the last 4 years. And then you would simply save your capture page, and that's how you would do it. You would go on to creating a campaign. Your campaign, of course, you would name it whatever network marketing company you're in, right? So you would name it, and that you can see, obviously, I've set up a lot of people's capture pages and campaigns for them. So it goes on and on and on because I've had this for so long, like I said. So you would name it right here. So let's just type it in. Let's just put XYZ company. For example, you'd select the page that I just created, or you just created, and it goes right there. You can see the capture page, meaning you're going to collect the email. And then you would select your AWeber. You'd want to create in your AWeber list where all your leads are going to be dropping into, or your get response, and then you can put it right here. So for example, it would go like, let's just say XYZ. We'll just name it like this. Your redirect page would go to your actual affiliate link in the company that you're in. I wouldn't know that, so I'm not going to put it in there. And then of course your category, you can name your category, and I think I even have XYZ, but let's just say, for example, it's this passive income. You'd save your campaign. Of course, I can't save it. Let's just put one in there for the sake of it. Let's just put this one in here, and then you would save it. That's how it works. And you're done. And you'd go to your list categories. You would go where you saved it, underneath your passive. See how many categories I have? So you'd go into your passive income, where you put the XYZ company capture page, and there you go. Boom, you're done. That is how simple this system can be used for any other business opportunity. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are on Facebook and you're listening to this Facebook, please give this a love. Follow me on Facebook, and I'll see you on the next video.